Buttermilk and chicken are a classic combination for a perfect buttermilk chicken in the world. Hi guys, I am Joyson Das. Welcome. Today we will see how to make the buttermilk fried chicken at our home. For this I have taken the chicken breast half kg, that is 500 grams, cut in fillets. Now we will marinate this chicken. I have taken 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin. Now I will mix this nicely. To marinate this chicken, I have taken half cup of curd or yogurt and an egg and little of black pepper, and we will mix this nicely. Now I am going to add this one to the batter. I am going to marinate this chicken for 1 hour, but you can marinate from 8 to 24 hours. More you marinate, the more better the chicken will be. I will leave this in the fridge. We will bring this chicken to the room temperature. Let us leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, we will go for the next step. Okay, now our chicken has come to the room temperature. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. So now we will go for our next step. We are going to coat this with the breadcrumbs and crushed cornflakes. This is our breadcrumbs. I am going to powder this cornflakes and mix this along with the breadcrumbs. Now we are going to coat our chicken with the breadcrumbs and the cornflakes. This is our breadcrumbs coated chicken ready to fry. Stove on. I am using the peanut oil. Our oil is hot. We have to fry this one on the slow medium flame. It should not be very hot. We want the chicken to be cooked from inside and it has to come crispy. Now we will turn our chicken. You have to fry the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes till it attains the golden brown color. Then we can transfer that one to the serving dish. Look at this. The color has been changed to the golden brown. This is the time we need to take this out. I have cooked this chicken for 10 to 15 minutes and now it has cooked, and we'll turn off our flame and we'll transfer this to our serving dish. अब इसको हम अंदर से कट करके देखते हैं. You can see it has cooked well. It's just perfectly made. You please try this at your home too. I am sure you are going to enjoy this perfect dish.